Welcome to the Home of English. This is the lesson number 50 in the channel, the Home of English. Here again, we shall learn more than 100 words in synonyms and antonyms session. Keep on learning and revising English grammar and vocabulary lessons. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get all updates and new lessons. Let's start. Synonyms and antonyms. We will discuss the words followed by meanings and synonyms and antonyms. This is the best way to learn many words at a time. The first word is compassion. Compassion means sympathy or concern for the sufferings or misfortunes of others. Synonyms are pity, empathy, clemency, mercy, solicitude. Its antonyms are cruelty, barbarity, persecution, apathy, brutality. Synonyms of compassion are pity, empathy, clemency, mercy, solicitude. And its antonyms are cruelty, barbarity, persecution, apathy, brutality. The next word is concur. Concur means agree or coincide. Synonyms: approve, accord, endorse, synchronize, coexist. These are the synonyms, and its antonyms are differ, disagree, dissent, oppose, deny. Next one, commodious. Commodious means comfortable. Synonyms are convenient, roomy, ample, capacious, spacious. Synonyms of commodious are convenient, roomy, ample, capacious, spacious. Antonyms: inconvenient, confined, cramped, unsuitable. Next is collision. It means strike violently one against another. Synonyms are clash, crash, encounter, wreck, impact, bump. Its antonyms are harmony, union, flattery, praise, compliment. Next one is cherish. That means hold something dear or keep a hope or ambition. Keep a hope or ambition. Synonyms: nurture, foster, adore, nurse, treasure, cosset. Synonyms of cherish are nurture, foster, adore, nurse, treasure, cosset. Antonyms: abandon, forsake, renounce, discard, neglect. Next is chastise. Chastise means punish or scold. Synonyms are rebuke, reprimand, upbraid, admonish, reproof. Rebuke, reprimand, upbraid, admonish, reprove. These are synonyms of chastise. It means punish or scold. Its antonyms are cheer, encourage, stimulate, praise, comfort. Next is chaste. That means innocent or pure or honorable. Its synonyms are virtuous, immaculate, decorous, Spartan. Antonyms: defiled, licentious, sullied, lustful, guilt, vice, immoral. The meaning of chaste is innocent, pure, or honorable. Its synonyms are virtuous, immaculate, decorous, Spartan. Antonyms: defiled, licentious, sullied, lustful, guilt, wise, immoral. Next one is cessation. Cessation means termination, break, or pause. Synonyms are hindrance, halt, ceasing, finish, respite, let up. Its antonyms are resumption, continuity, perpetuation, prolongation. Cessation means termination, break, or pause. Synonyms are hindrance, halt, ceasing, finish, respite, let up. Antonyms: resumption, continuity, perpetuation, prolongation. Next is catastrophe. Catastrophe means a disaster or a calamity. Its synonyms are mishap, cataclysm, holocaust, blight, tribulation. Antonyms: prosperity, blessing, restoration, salvation. The meaning of catastrophe is a disaster or a calamity. Synonyms are mishap, cataclysm, holocaust, blight, tribulation. Antonyms: prosperity, blessing, restoration, salvation. The next word is caricature. It means cartoon or parody or satire. Its synonyms are ridicule, distort, mimic, burlesque, spoof, lampoon. Ridicule, distort, mimic, burlesque, spoof, lampoon. These are synonyms of caricature. That means cartoon, parody, or satire. Its antonyms are portrait, exactness, precision, reality, truth. So these are the antonyms and synonyms for today. Please revise all these once or twice and memorize or be familiar with all these words. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.